Yo, we gotta require weekly test. We gotta require weekly test.
Tests of the signal and receiver performance.
We gotta require weekly test, guys. Require weekly test. Oh my god.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next.
We gotta
available
require
weather
weekly
day.
test.
Reception of this broadcast and especially
Require
the
weekly
warning
test.
alarm
Oh my
will
god.
vary in any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances.
We gotta
from the
require weekly
transmitter,
test, guys.
can
Oh
sometimes
my
occur
god.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning.
We gotta
service
require
possible,
weekly
the
test,
warning alarm
guys.
will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau. New
Guys, we
York,
gotta require
Orange,
weekly
Putnam,
test.
Queens,
Oh my god.
Richmond,
Oh
Rockland,
my gosh, I
Suffolk,
require
and
weekly
Westchester.
test.
In northern and central New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Huntington, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut.
No way, we
Fairfield.
gotta require weekly
Once
test.
again, this was only a test.
A test. No way.
For rest of today,
We gotta
the
require
current
weekly
risk
test,
moderate.
guys.
Surf heights around 3. Thunderstorm potential none. UV index high.
Yo, we gotta require weekly test. Let's go.
Weather sunny. High temperature mid 80s.
Let's go. My first require weekly test of all time, guys.
Becoming southwest in the afternoon. Tides East Rockaway inland low at 7:01 a.m. High at 1:33 p.m. Sunrise 6:26 a.m. Sunset.
No way. We gotta require weekly test. Guys, I have a required weekly test. Oh my goodness. It says advisory right there. No way. I just got a required weekly test. Oh yeah.
Sunrise 6:27 a.m. Sunset 7:20 p.m. For Friday, partly sunny.
Yo, let's
A
go.
chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds around 10 miles per hour.
We gotta require weekly
For
test,
Saturday,
guys.
mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds around 10 miles per hour. And for Sunday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Yo, we gotta require weekly test, guys. Oh my goodness.
South winds
Oh
around
my
10
God.
miles per hour. And recurrent risk category.
For a second, I was watching TV and then I just heard a long tone. I thought it was the TV playing it, but it was the WR120. I just heard the tone.
Jetties, reefs, and piers.
Okay, bye.
Life-threatening recurrent